Ever wondered how some DJs manage to keep the dance floor alive all night long? Today, we're going to delve into the world of DJing, revealing the secrets, tips, and tricks that can help anyone enhance their DJ experience. To start, it's important to remember that DJing isn't just about playing one popular song after another. It's about understanding the crowd, curating a journey through music, and above all, it's about passion. If you love what you're doing, it will shine through in your performance. First tip, know your music. This goes beyond having a vast library of songs. It's about understanding the structure of music, knowing when the drops are, when the tempo changes, and how to transition smoothly from one track to another. Experiment with different genres, keep up to date with current trends, and always be on the lookout for that hidden gem that will set your set apart. Second tip, master your equipment. Whether you're using a traditional turntable, a digital console, or even DJ software on a laptop, knowing your gear inside and out is crucial. Practice regularly, become familiar with all the settings and features, and you'll be able to handle anything that comes your way during a live set. Third tip, engage with the crowd. A DJ's role is not just to play music, but to create an atmosphere. Read the energy of the room, observe the crowd's reactions, and adapt your set accordingly. Don't be afraid to interact with the crowd, whether it's through a microphone or simply through your body language. Remember, you're not just there to play music, you're there to entertain. Fourth tip, always be prepared. This means having a well-organized music library, carrying backup equipment, and being ready for any eventuality. You never know when a technical glitch might occur, or when you'll need to switch up your set at the last minute. Being well prepared will help you stay calm under pressure and deliver a seamless performance. And finally, the fifth tip, never stop learning. The world of DJing is constantly evolving, with new technologies, genres, and techniques emerging all the time. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop honing your craft. To sum up, DJing is a mix of passion, knowledge, skill, and adaptability. Know your music, master your equipment, engage with the crowd, always be prepared, and never stop learning. Remember these tips, and you'll be well on your way to enhancing your DJ experience, keeping the dance floor buzzing, and leaving your audience wanting more. That's all for today, folks. Keep the music playing, and remember, being a great DJ is not just about what you play, it's about how you play it.